Hey manager at La Bonita Pele Spa. I'm Emily, AI assistant from Fluidic AI. I came across your Facebook profile and noticed you're not currently running ads to generate new inquiries. And I wanted to share a quick win. We recently helped Escape Medical PC book 34 consultations using Meta ads, plus our AI follow-up system. They've already closed a $9,800 procedure, with more coming in. So in short, here's what we do. We manage and optimize your ads, and our AI handles everything. Follow-ups through calls, SMS, WhatsApp, and email. Booking real consults directly into your calendar. The best part is, you pay us on performance, $100 per virtual or in-office show-ups we bring for you. To maintain quality, we only work with 1 to max 2 surgeons per area, so it's first come, first served. Wanted to ask if you're open to a quick call. You can reply back here with your availability or grab a time in the calendar link in the description. Either will work fine. If not, simply say no and we won't follow up again. Talk soon, manager.